Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Ngok. Good evening. How are you?
I'm happy.
Oh, wait. Okay, you're happy. What did you do today, Ngok?
I went to school.
I went.
I went to school.
Okay, very good. I'm so sleepy. I want to sleep. You sure so sleepy already. What time do you go to bed, Ngok? What time do you sleep?
Mm, 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. In Vietnam, it is already 8 p.m., right?
Yeah.
Is it 8 p.m. now?
Yeah.
Uh, in the Philippines, it's already 9 p.m. because we are advanced for 1 hour. In the Philippines, in my country, 9 p.m. That's why I'm sleepy. What about dinner, Ngok? Did you eat your dinner?
Yeah.
Okay, that is so good to hear. What did you eat for dinner, Ngok?
I eat fish, rice, um, vegetable.
Fish, rice, and vegetables. Okay, vegetables. That's good. You ate vegetables. What kind of vegetables?
Um,
Do you know the name of that vegetable?
no.
Eggplant, lettuce, carrots, potatoes, tomatoes. No.
No. Eat long.
It's long and then
Yeah.
long, but then like this, small and then long.
Yeah.
Is it not patola? Let's see.
I
Tiny. Is it not this one?
know. No.
No. What about this one? These are shorts. No.
No.
Uh, this one.
No.
What long? Do you know the Vietnamese word?
Um. Uh.
What is it in Vietnamese? What other long? Long.
Biết biết tụi mình ăn rau gì nè?
Is it's what color?
À, green.
It's green, not this one.
No.
Is that?
No.
Long. Let's just see. Batong. Is it this one? Oh wait, batong. Maybe this one. It looks like this. Does it look like this? No.
Yeah.
This one. This one?
Yeah.
Ah. What is it in English? Batong. What is batong in English? Batong in English. In English, a string bean. String bean. Binisaya. String bean. This one.
Yeah.
You like this?
Yeah.
Oh, my brother and my sisters. I know my brothers and my sister like to eat this one. They like this also. But I don't like this. My favorite vegetable ngok is this one. This is my favorite vegetable. And aside from that, I also like this one. I like this one also. What about you? What is your favorite vegetable?
I like mm, uh potato.
Ah, potato. Carrots.
No,
I don't like carrots.
cabbage.
Cabbage, this one? You like
Yeah,
this?
yeah,
Oh, yeah, I like this one also. And then you put some egg. Do you know that? Do you know?
yeah,
Cabbage with egg. Oh, it's so yummy. This one.
yeah.
Oh, you cook it with egg, onion. I like this. Okay. Now let's start our class, Ngok. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, wait. Okay. I really want to do a review. Speak vernacular na. I want to do a review before we proceed with our ano? Before we proceed, I really want to go back to our lesson, and then after we go back, I really want to do the review. And then lesson and then review. Can we do that, Ngok?
Mm, no.
Why? What do you mean by no? What do you mean by no? You don't want to have it. We started this from this one, right? Three. 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 Do you remember?
Yeah.
I want to go back here, and then after we go here, we're going to conduct the review also. We have to, after 15 minutes, no, maybe 20 minutes of our class, we're going to have a review also. So that I will know if you really learn. Oh wow, if you really learned. Oh, like for example, we're going to have this. We finished the lesson, like this one. And then we're going to here to review workbook to see if you really learn. Okay?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yes.
We're going to go back here, and then after we go back here, we're going to do the review. And then if we finish the review, we still have time. Let's continue the other lesson. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Since you know this one already, you remember? This is our first lesson. Okay, so let's start.
Yeah.
Okay, now please listen to teacher and eyes on the screen. Okay, so Ngok, let's start. Let's go back to our first lesson. Oh, so for this lesson, Ngok, we're going to talk about what do you call these?
Snack.
Snacks. Do you know what is snack, Ngok?
Yeah.
Like what? What are the snacks like?
Tomato chip.
Uh, Potato chips, tomato chips,
Potato chip.
potato. It's just like again, potato chips. Oh,
Potato chip.
all of the food that you can see. These are all snacks. Oh, all of these. Gum, popcorn, peanut, chocolate, potato chip, soda. These are all snacks. So when we say snacks, these are the food that we eat um if we are hungry or if we want to eat something, but it's not mealtime yet. So, snack is different from breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Snack is different from mealtime. Mealtime is when we eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But snacks, these are just the small amount of food that we eat if we're a little bit hungry, but it's not mealtime yet. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's start with number one, Ngok. Again, what is number one?
Gum.
Yes. So you know what is gum, right? Have you tasted a gum?
Mm,
Chewing gum. You forgot what is chewing gum? This one. Oh. Have you tasted this one?
yeah,
Oh. So chewing gum. If you're going to taste chewing gum, you're not going to swallow it, right? No, you should not swallow gum. You just chew it and then spit it out. No, do not swallow because you might hurt your stomach or you might hurt your tummy. Okay? So when you eat gum,
yeah,
spit it out after if you cannot taste the flavor anymore. Ay, that's for number one. Number two, what is number two?
popcorn.
Have you tasted popcorn?
Yeah,
Yes, right. The best time to eat popcorn ngok when you watch movies, right?
yeah.
When is the best time to eat popcorn for you? This one. When is the best time to eat popcorn?
Mm, what movie?
Yes, when you watch movies, right? And eat popcorn. That is really good. Next, number three,
Peanuts.
peanuts. Okay, so these are peanuts, ha? Look at the picture ngok. And then let's see some pictures, more pictures. Peanuts. Oh, these are peanuts. Have you eaten peanuts before, ngok? Did you
Yes.
did you eat peanuts before?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
No,
You don't like peanuts?
no.
Why?
Mm, it's not delicious.
It's not delicious. It's not delicious for you. But you know, peanuts are good for the brain. It's good for the brain. If you want to be smarter, you eat a lot of peanuts. The peanuts will help your brain to move to function better. It's they doctor says that peanuts are good for the brain. It's good if you want to be smarter, more smarter. Okay, next number four,
Chocolate.
chocolate. Of course, you have tasted chocolate, right?
Yes.
Do you like chocolates, Ngok?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, I do.
Mm,
I do.
I do.
I do. I believe is something. Na, na, na. Okay, I like chocolates too. That's my favorite. But I don't eat too much chocolates nowadays because I'm getting fat. Teacher is fat. Do you know what is fat?
Mm,
Too much sugar intake can make your body can do it's going to will result to body gain, a body weight gain. Uh, I'm too much sugar intake will result to weight gain. Uh, So teacher, I like it. I like chocolate. I love chocolate, but I don't eat a lot nowadays because ow,
mm,
because I am so fat. Oh, look, oh, teacher is so fat na. So I don't eat chocolate anymore. Do not eat a lot of chocolates, okay? It's not good also. Too much sugar intake might cause diabetic. Number 5.
To potato chip.
Yes. Have you eaten potato chips?
Yeah.
Yes, of course. Oh my gosh. I haven't ano pa. Wait for a while. I haven't recorded any of our lesson yet. Okay, so is it yummy ngok? Do you like potato chips?
Yes.
But do not eat a lot, okay? Teacher likes it too much. I like potato chips. I love chocolates. I love potato chips. But since teacher, I am getting older, it's not good anymore. Oh. For people who are getting older, it's not good for us to eat a lot of chocolate or potato chips because we are prone we're prone to disease or illnesses, so we have to be careful. You have to be careful also, Ngok, okay? Make sure it's okay to eat sometimes. It's okay to eat chocolate maybe once a week. Do not eat every day. And make sure that if you eat that, you have to drink a lot of water and brush your teeth thoroughly. For potato chips, if you eat potato chips, maybe you can just eat once a week also and then drink a lot of water, okay? Because it's
Yeah.
not good for our kidney, it's not good for our liver, so we need to be careful. And last, number 6. Number 6 is the most dangerous one. What
Soda.
is number 6? Soda. Soda ngok is also not good, especially for children. Okay? Or how old are you, ngok? 8, 9. How old are
Mm,
you again? Are you 7, 8, or 9 years old? Ngok, I am talking to you. How old are you?
I'm on 13.
Ah, you're already 13. Even though you're 13, but do not drink a lot of soda. Do you like soda, ngok?
Mm,
Do not like soda. Don't like it. You should not love it. You should not like it. You can just drink water instead. Juice, water. Oh, but do not drink a lot of soda, okay?
yes.
Okay. So, where are we now? So, before we continue, Ngok, let's review our words again. What is number 1,
Gum.
2,
Popcorn.
3,
Peanut.
4,
Chocolate.
5,
Potato chip.
and 6?
Soda.
Okay, now let's do our activity now. Okay. You have to find the words, Ngok. I am not going to tell you, oh, where is the popcorn? Where is the pizza? The peanuts. You're going to circle this. Circle. Find the 6 word. Peanuts, gum, soda, potato chip, chocolate. And then you tell me what is that. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you go. You go. You can circle now. Circle anything that you can see as long as it is part of the 6 words or the snacks. What is that?
Peanut.
Okay, very good. 2. What is that?
Popcorn.
Very good. Next. What is that? What
Gum.
are those? Gums. Next. What is that? What are those?
Chocolate.
Chocolates. We cannot see only one. You can say those are chocolates. What is that? What is that?
Peanut.
Ah, no?
Potato chip.
Yes, potato chips. One last word. And
Soda.
not that one, this one above. Oh. Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, now let's continue, and this time let's have the sentences. Okay, we're going to mm, mm, we're going to make a sentence, okay? So we're going to use ay, wait for a while. Okay? I know. Like this the I. Okay. So we're going to use don't. If when we say don't knock, it means it's do not. Okay? Short,
Yeah.
don't. Long, do not. The same for doesn't. Long, does not. Short, doesn't. Okay?
Yeah.
And then, aside from that knock, if the sentence is positive, you are going to use some. Positive, it means no not. You cannot see not word. You cannot see the not word. If the sentence is negative, you're going to say use any. Okay? If the sentence is negative, you're going to use any. Got it? Like for
Yeah.
example, he wants some gum. I don't I want some gum. I don't want any gum. The same for the others. Okay, number one, let's see. What will you say?
I.
Wait. For he or she ngok, for the pronoun he or she, you're going to add S. Oh,
She.
I, no, right? No S. But he or she, there should be S here. He wants, she wants, but I want, I don't want, no S. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's have number one. I,
I don't want any gum.
very good. I don't want any gum. That's for number one. Number two.
She wants some popcorn.
Okay. She wants. Did you say wants?
She wants some popcorn.
Very good. Okay. Good job, Ngok. Wait. Let me make it. Okay. She wants some popcorn. That's for number two. Number three.
He don't. He wants some peanut.
I don't hear S. Again, he.
He wants some peanut.
Okay. He wants some peanuts. Very good. Don't forget S, ha? Wants. She wants. He wants some peanuts. Peanuts also. He wants some peanut. He wants some peanuts. Can see S. Number four.
I don't want some. I don't want any chocolate.
Very good. I don't want any chocolate. Oh, very good, Ngok. Uh, Next, number five.
He doesn't want any potato chip.
Okay, he doesn't want any potato chips. Okay, doesn't want any potato chips. Last, number 6.
Mm, she wants
Again, she
some
S.
soda.
Again, what is that? She wa
She wants some soda.
Desa, she wants some soda.
She
Okay,
wants some soda.
very good. Can you read number 2 again, Ngok? Number 2.
She wants some
S.
popcorn.
She wants, one more time.
She wants some popcorn.
Very good. 2. S. She wants.
He wants some peanuts.
Okay, very good. There you go. So easy, right? Okay. Am I, where am I? Ouch! My headset. It's killing me, Charot. Okay, where are we now? Listen as an answer. Why do you want? What do you want? The same. We're just going to do the same. But this time, you're just going to use some. It's all positive. Positive sentence. So you're going to use some for all of the sentences. For all of the numbers. Okay, let's start with number 1. What does What do you want? Because it's I. What do you want?
I want some gum.
Okay, that's for number 1. 2. Next. What does? You're going to ask the question also, Ngok. What is for number 2? Question.
And she,
What?
what does she want?
Okay, and then answer.
She wants some popcorn.
Very good. She wants some popcorn. Number 3.
And
Question.
what does he want?
Okay.
He wants some peanut.
Peanuts. Okay, very good. Okay, Ngok, I think that's it for tonight. We don't have enough time. Thank you so much for your time, Ngok, and we're going to continue the rest of the activities next class. Okay? Bye,
Yeah.
Ngok. Thank you. Good night. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Thank you.